Hello everybody, we are
Eline and
Manon, and today we are going to show you how to make the best pâté chicken ever. We have chosen this dish because we both love it and eat it a lot on special occasions. It's one of our favorite meals and that's why we would like to introduce pâté to you. We know you all would love it. But before we start, we are going to tell you a bit about the history of the dish.
Many people think that pâté is a Thai dish, but that's not true. It's actually Vietnamese. The dish was introduced by the Vietnamese traders. It was originally made of egg noodles, which is a typical Vietnamese ingredient. But afterwards, the egg noodles were replaced by rice noodles after the Second World War because the president of Thailand wanted to promote rice, which was its premium export product. After the Second World War, it became even popular and it's still eaten a lot. It's at number 5 of the 50 most delicious dishes in the world.
Besides the fact that it's eaten a lot, you can almost find it everywhere. You can go to Thai or Asian restaurants, go to the market, buy the ingredients and make it by yourself. You can also sometimes find it at local food trucks. Pad Thai is a main dish and its main ingredients are chicken, tofu, noodles, eggs, peanuts and a lot of vegetables. You can make it with pork, chicken, crab, shrimps and also in a vegetarian way. If it's homemade, it's way healthier because there are no preservatives added. You can also choose to make it how you like it. You can add some spicy sauce or you can choose the vegetables that you like. It's all cooked in a wok pan so that it's cooked quickly and briefly and so that all the vitamins are preserved. The great thing about pad Thai chicken is that it doesn't take much prep time at all. You just boil noodles, cook the chicken, whisk together the sauce and throw it all in a pan and the dish is served. Now we're going to show you how to make the best pad Thai chicken in the world. But what do we need? We are going to make it for 2 persons and that's why we use 100 grams of noodles.
We have chosen the variation with chicken because that's the one we like the most. So you will need a chicken fillet and in between 150 and 200 grams.
We need 1 egg, a handful of peanuts and also bean sprouts.
The extra taste in it by adding some soy sauce and fish sauce.
Use tofu for a healthy touch.
You can add the vegetables you like. We're gonna use a red onion, garlic, chili pepper, ginger and some bean sprouts.
Last but not least, use a wok pan to ensure that all the flavors are maximized.
Let's get started!
First, put the noodles in a bowl and add some hot water. It's not recommended to boil them because they can get too soft too easily.
Turn up the heat and start cutting all the vegetables. First peel the onions and afterwards you have to cut them in little pieces.
Cut off a little piece of the ginger and peel off the skin.
Now we're gonna cut the garlic in little pieces.
Chop off the green parts and keep it apart.
Now I'm cutting the chicken into little pieces. Add it to the wok pan.
Now we're cutting the tofu in little pieces.
Now we're starting to cook the tofu and the chicken together. Add the vegetables now. And mingle it all together. Add 2 spoons of soy sauce. Now add 1.5 spoon of fish sauce. Add the rice noodles to the tofu, the chicken and the vegetables. So you have to divide the pan in half, and then you have to mix the egg and just cook it a little bit.
Mix it all together. It's almost ready. Rasp the peanuts and add some toppings.
Lightly sauced tender noodle
And juicy chicken perfection.